Hey everyone, this is Grace from Kapwing, and
You just got virtual backgrounded.
whether it is currently spooky season or just a regular old day in the life for you, creating a jump scare virtual background is an easy way to have a little more fun with your friends on Zoom. This is a super easy prank to play where you just need to use our free online customizable template in Kapwing to make your jump scare virtual background, then upload it to Zoom and let the background do the work when you're on a call with your friends. While Zoom does not support audio on their virtual backgrounds, I think this keeps the prank to the level of being more amusing and unexpected than actually terrifying, so you don't cause any real heart attacks. Make sure you sign into your free Kapwing account so no watermark is added at the end, and let's get started. So to make this process easy, we're gonna be using a template that is linked in the description below. It's the first link, so just click that and you'll get to this template here. Basically just click make it, and this template has two scenes. So the first scene will be the kind of like placeholder, just like temporary video part, and then the second scene is the actual jump scare. So on Zoom you can't upload videos as your virtual background that have audio. That is one caveat, that it makes it a little less scary, but I think that's also better because you don't want to like literally make someone jump out of their seat. So to make your own version of this jump scare, you can customize all parts of these different scenes and the project. This is a placeholder photo that you can just delete, and you can add an image, a GIF, or a video on this scene by clicking replace. So I am going to add in a video of myself looking like I'm on Zoom, like you saw in the intro of this video, because that will just make it look like I'm there, but then have the jump scare part fully integrated with that visual of me. So I have a video that I recorded of myself just on my phone. So you can either upload a file or you can actually paste a link from the internet. So if it's like a TikTok or a YouTube or Twitter video or any other video, you can just actually paste it here and then resize and make edits as you want. I'm gonna find my file first, and it uploads, and then this is what it looks like. You saw it in the intro, just kind of pretending I'm on Zoom. Now you can trim the video, you can adjust it, crop it, make edits on this right side here. I'm just gonna trim this down really quickly because it's a little long. So I trimmed it down to 5 seconds, which I feel like is a decent amount of time for someone to be looking at the screen and like keep looking, and then for the jump scare to actually happen. If you make this part really long, it's just gonna take a long time for the jump scare part to come up. So then on the side here, you can see the second scene. This is also a video, and you can replace this with another jump scare if you want. If you go on YouTube, there's obviously a bunch of different ones. You can just copy the link to the video and then paste it, and then upload it and paste it in and replace this jump scare with another one or with whatever you want. So right now this is what my project is looking like. We have just looking around, pretending I'm on Zoom, and then jump scare part. In addition to those edits, you can also add text boxes, other images by searching in the search bar, or like emojis. You can also add subtitles or other elements like shapes. Last thing before you finish, it should already be 16:9 output ratio, but if it's not, change it to that. That's the format that works with Zoom. And then all you have to do is click the red export video button. My video is done loading, and to save this to your computer, you can just click download first. Once you've downloaded it, go to Zoom, and to make it your virtual background, just click new meeting. And as you can see, I have a different virtual background behind me. To change that, you can just click the caret next to the video icon and then click choose virtual background. And you can just click the plus sign here, add video, and then choose the downloaded video that you just made. So then when you are actually trying to do this in a call, you'll just make sure that you're not in the frame of the camera, and then you'll have yourself like pretending to look like you're on the call watching, but then have the jump scare behind you. I tried this out on real Zoom calls with some of my friends, and they thought it was unexpected but also amusing, so it was overall a good time. Feel free to try it yourself, make your own jump scare virtual background, and prank your friends on Zoom, and let us know how it goes in the comments. Thanks for watching that video. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content creation tips. Let us know what other videos you want to see on our channel and any other thoughts in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.